when you hear the stats talking about an alarming percentage of unemployment, ucabangani, what comes to your mind? What do you think about us? Because many people say many things.
It's a very simple thing. Abantu bakholelwa ukuthi umuntu uthola umsebenzi ekhuthala. Abantu bakholelwa ukuthi umsebenzi uku-CV. No, no. You must create a job. You must create a job. Look at China. Bonke abantwana bakhona bakhuliswa under i-training yokuthi lo mntwana lo maselakhulile uzoba yini. Okuyisystem ebekufanele ukuthi sifake nathi la eSouth Africa ukuthi bonke abaye emkhakheni wobudoda nayi indlela yabo. Bonke abaye emkhakheni wobunesi nayi indlela yabo. Bonke abaye emkhakheni wobuthishela nayi indlela yabo. It's bonke abaya emkhakheni webricklayer. That's why ngizokwenzela la izinto eziningi zala Paul. Sakhiwe Mozambique. And you ask yourself a question, apha ama-South African. Now, iskill sokwakha izindlu basithethe kuphi? La basifundela e-South Africa? No, basifunde kuphi? Ekhaya. So if i-government yethu inga-introduce i-system yokuthi wonke umuntu la awela khona, umuntu okwazi intambo ngefoni what, ahlale kuloyo mkhakha, and from grade R now until azayo-complete i-matric adlulele e-university. Izinto bezizolekelela kakhulu create amathuba womsebenzi lawa esithi thina ascarce esitshelwa amanga every year sizokwenza amathuba womsebenzi ayi-8 billion and next year ku-speech sesona still satshelwa same thing. But mina ngithi yabona lo mhlaba lo is agriculture. Is agriculture. 2 children abakule sikolo lesi supposed to ukuthi ba-manager this structure nalaba abanye abafundi bafunda nabo. 2, they must be leaders.
At the very young age.
At the very young age, those are managers ku-future ku-department ye-agriculture. I think uSeason ungilalele la khona. Mlo, lalela. Lento le i-introduceni i-agriculture and ingabi i-agriculture phela ibe i-agriculture ehamba no-practical, because akusizi ukufunda i-textbook edeke engaka uphase but lento le ungazange uyenze ngezandla lento le angeke ize iphumelele. And ukuvala igebe lama le unemployment ku-youth. Government, wake up. I-Candastria inama-factory ashiwe ama-China years back. Ayarusa. I think we count 15, 16 big factories in Ghana. Who's taking care of those factories? Ukuthi kuvuleka amathuba, ikube nekhampani ezokwenza icathulo enkangala njengoba ama-China nabo bebenza. Kube nekhampani ezokwenza ama-shirt, kube nekhampani ezokwenza igcobo, kube nekhampani ezokwenza amagauzi. Furniture.
But
It's look at Candastria alone. How many people can we employ in Candastria? How many? From Siabuswa until Nkangala, Brongo Prates Sitobeni, Delmas, Ngasuki Pass, Delmas, Lisabasebenze Bronco Spray, because they are so close. But yet we are foul crying, government, wake up. We are foul crying ukuthi i-youth ayina msebenzi. And anibafundisanga labantwana ukuthi bazidevelope. Nifundisa abantwana ukuthi kunento ekuthiwa i-CV. Ubani abenza izinwele la? People from outside. Bobani abasenzela ama-chips? People from outside. Now you ask yourself the same question. Le ngibuza yona ukuthi apha ama-South African. No, very much lazy. La ku-brain abafuna ukusebenzisa i-brain bafane nalabo sisi laba That's why they hate labo sisla, and they hate them for nothing, because labo sisla basibakhombisile ukuthi thina sihlakaniphile ukudlula nini. None of these guys abakha izindlu la elokishini basikhombisile ukuthi they are wiser than us. So if we change the mentality yokuqabanga kwethu njengabantu base-South Africa, we can build our own companies and start working, build izindlu. Nkosi yami, sivula amashop namhlanje akunasitolo somuntu omnyama estradini esi-1 kuna 5 yamashop wamandiya. Sorry guys.
Hayi, you go crazy, man.
Yeah, kuna 5 yamashop. Apha amashop abantu abamnyama. Abantu nokukhula ngomuntu omnyama la elokishini osele nesitolo uthengisa utshwala. Killing the very same youth. Amandiya nawo abona ukuthi no, if abantu abamnyama bakwazi ukubulalana babodwa ngotshwala, why don't we open utshwala? But no, thina into esizobabulalisa ngayo i-1, we'll make our own beer.
But ngicela ukungena lapho baba Shabangu. In defense ka government ne. Sharp government has created this dependency kuye no government sharp. And then nathi we should also take accountability as young people, as citizens alike South Africa. Baba Shabangu, comparing Bantu education, okay, I'm bashing government on lowering standard ne grade and changing a lot of things. Not everything was bad, like negative. Bantu education, you did biblical studies, you did agriculture, foundation phase, you did handwork, you did ukuthunga, all those things back then. So you had like life skills, all those things were implemented. Then 94 kwathiwa i-OBE, i-National Curriculum Statement, NCS, CAPS and whatnot. So people fell to that
Yeah.
trap yokuthi
Yes.
we must learn how to write CVs instead of creating our own jobs. Skills they
Bas
yeah,
degrade abasaphansi na.
suppress
Exactly.
skills, yeah.
That talent I've got.
Exactly. Everyone, umuntu omdala, there's a skill that they can do ngesandla sakhe, which they learned esikolweni. Ubaba Shabangu can surprise you manje akutshela ukuthi hayi mina into ethile besiyifundiswa eklasini ekanje nakanje, yabo. So when it comes to government side, they shouldn't have scrapped everything about that education, yabo, that came with that syllabus, yabo. With different departments, we can see how lawlessness our country is. Borders and everything. During apartheid, they were not porous as they are now. Amapolice apha endleleni, you can drive from Cape Town to eMusina Bait Bridge without being stopped. Mawustopuwa uzofuna cold drink, yabo. But back then you were being stopped, and then respect was there from the officer. Engagement, interaction was professional and whatnot. If your car is fine and is in a good condition, your paperwork is good, is proper, they would
Then
let you
uzodlula,
pass and wish you
exactly.
a safe journey. Not everything had to be changed. There were weighing machines, weighing trucks with loads and whatnot. They would go on that iskali,
Weight bridge.
weight bridge, yeah, is
Yes.
the word I'm looking for. They
Yeah.
would go there. If a truck is a 18-ton truck, it would go there. If it's 18 and below, it would be pass. They would scan everything, the luggage. Ukuthi, if this truck they're saying is carrying manganese, is it proper? Is it really manganese inside there? Not girls or women being trafficked. Yabo. Those things, they should have kept them and maintained them in Weybridge.
So, what are you defending the government on in contrast to what he's saying?
Okay, there are still education systems like that in place. We have technical colleges in some towns, in some cities, but not
But
zonke
now,
ziphelile ba.
now when ngibuya e-technical ne, and then ibuyela back system where we say I'm na 8 years ngigraduateile, I didn't find job. Ngina 5 years ngiphume technical drawing, ngenza i-drawing
Yeah.
technical, ngenza i-electricity. college na 5 years. Now we want to close that gap ne yokuthi sibe nama graduate ahlele emakhaya, because remember number every time iyaphekeka. Instead, what we are fighting for ne fanele si reduce that number
Unemployment.
unemployment. Now ubonile manje sibuya kuma results ka matric, ubonile ama diploma angakanani,
Those numbers are cooked.
ubonile angithi ama diploma, ubonile ama graduate yini le phezulu,
Bachelor and
ubonile ama
whatnot.
bachelors angakanani.
They reduce the quality,
then-
they increase the quantity.
So ngamanye amagama i-system ye-education bamabona, you guys sit down and discuss it ukuthi labantwana nabaqeda what you call i-matric, irregardless ukuthi uphase nge-diploma ne or passing with those flying colors,
Bachelor.
bachelor. We need to
Higher
have
certificate.
yes, we need to have a structure whereby we take this child ne kulaba abangakhoni ukuya mhlambe e-university, especially mhlambe ku-diploma ne ukuthi labantwana la bazowela kumuphi umkhakha. So the number is growing, and if sina 86,000 yama-matriculate ngo-2025, 2026 the number growing again ne, and the pass rate growing. So bonke labantwana laba benzani abayiphansi, abehli kodwa benzani bayaphezulu. So i-rate unemployment, igraph yenzani iyakhuphuka. So sinama firm manje sithi mhlambe labantwana besizohamba special one, but what is happening ne, they are closing, and a lot of them will close. If you follow what is happening in America now, we are still waiting for other companies to go back to America because of influence ka Donald Trump. Sorry, Donald Trump, you are my friend, you know.
Yeah, but
no sifuna ukulwa nalento le ne ukuthi ekugcineni we need to balance the equation.
yeah, back to i-point le esithetha ngayo baba, and it's a nice transition kwakhona to i-business esiya kuyona. Those systems and those institutions are there. What we just need to push to talk about them and to inspire people. Actually, first thing, to put people who are passionate about these things. Technical colleges are there, nursing colleges are still there, agricultural colleges are still there, but they are not fashionable yabo, for various reasons. One of
'Cause-
those reasons ukuthi babeke umuntu bazomenza i-DG agriculture or i-college, nursing college, ngelo xesha i-politician. So uye phayana for political interest, not for umkhakha lo yabo, for that industry or that a trade or that profession yabo. They are still there, but in teachers colleges they are still there.
Yeah, you have a point.
Yeah, in nursing centers ezinye zavalwa but ezinye zikhona. Some of them
No.
zimejwe kwezi
Uyazi
universities.
ukuthi why?
Uh,
Can I come in?
okay.
Yazi ukuthi why?
Why?
Ngicomplain ukuthi nurses colleges are still there. Now you look at ama institution like our hospital ne, which are ane
Shortage, yeah.
ne, whereby akuphunywa ngendlela e-right ukuyolanda laba bantu ba graduate, laba bantu laba abayenzile le course. That's my biggest fear ukuthi you go to general hospital which is around Witbank, and bakutshela ukuthi kushoda i-staff. That's why amapilisi bangawatholi ngesikhathi, abantu bagcina abantu badlula emhlabeni because of i-shortage ye-staff. Umuntu uthole i-accident uyafika lapho uyalaliswa akunamuntu omthatha ngespeed
I-trauma
ayokugeza.
ward, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
But sinomuntu lo wena okhuluma ngaye ne ukuthi lo muntu lo uyile esikolweni wagraduate but uhlele ekhaya akanamsebenzi uphethe isitifiketi se-nursing.